Why do onions make you cry?
Because onions, they have got a substance within them which can irritate the eye. Okay, that is amino acid, sulfur dikes. Okay, that it irritates, it gets broken out and it gets irritating the eye. So we will tear once we cut the onions.
Well, I think it has something to do with the the ingredients of the onion itself. It has something to do with the chemical reaction of the ingredients of the onion with the human beings. I'm not sure about it. Maybe. Okay.
Because of the acid that they have, it affects your eyes, I think, and it makes you cry. Onions? Maybe because they're acidic.
Because if we cut them, there's chemicals or something inside. And it releases stuff and it goes into our eyes.
Gas in the air reacts with the water in your eyes, forming sulfuric acid, which makes your eyes to water. Why do fish smell when you buy them?
Because it just came from the sea and normally sea smells bad and they're dead fish.
Maybe because they're dead and there's bacteria on them. So maybe, yes, because they're dead and yeah.
Because they are dead and the bacteria will be found when they out of the sea.
Because of the bacteria that's on them.
Well, fish is created to live in water, and if it's not living in water, then it will be smelling because it has to be living in this, the salty water that creates a kind of, this kind of smell or whatever. If they are not refrigerated or out of the water, then it will be smelling for sure. The same as a human being smells when they die.
Because they live in salt water and that maybe their organs are dead and it smells because every creature that becomes dead, like they smell and they shrink and all that.
I think everything smells when it dies. It's because they kind of rotten and they are not fresh anymore, and because they are in the air and not in water anymore.
Because they're dead.
I hate fish, but because they rot.
I think it's because once you get them out of the ocean, they start naturally decay. So yeah, that's what I think.
Fish carry a substance called trimethylene oxide, which breaks down when the fish are taken out of the sea. The substance reacts with air, which forms the smell.
Why do pears and apples turn brown when you cut them?
They are oxidated by the air, and the bacteria in the air gets involved there, and they have this color, as like when you peel the apple and you touch it. All right.
I think there is a reaction of oxygen or some sort of, that's why it becomes brown.
The bacteria that accumulates on top of them.
Because it's open, then bacteria comes when it turns brown.
Because of the bacteria in the air.
I think because like when you peel, for example, the banana or you cut the apple, the air around it is just full of bacteria, so it gets into the thingy, they turn black.
When you cut the fruit, okay, so what actually happens is that the surface of the fruit that we cut, it reacts with the oxygen in the air, so it makes them rot.
The fruits turn brown because the oxygen in the air reacts with enzymes and other chemicals.